Milo, a choco milk cat, slumped his body against the comforting embrace of a cardboard box. Overwhelmed by thoughts, his fur ruffled and his eyes filled with exhaustion. In the solitude of his sanctuary, he yearned for an escape from the tangled web of overthinking that ensnared his mind. Milo sought solace, confiding in compassionate friends. They formed a circle of support, sharing stories of resilience, assuring him he wasn't alone. Together they nurtured his wounded heart, helping him transform overthinking into growth and self-discovery through love and acceptance. Subscribe to get more videos like this.